Welcome back editors, I'm your 7x. So guys, today in this video I'm going to provide you a full edit like Catch the Edit on Alightmotion. If this video hit 400 likes, I will drop this preset for you all. So without wasting any more time, let's get into the preview.